How to hide your number on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can hide your number on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to hide your number on WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch your WhatsApp application here. Once you launch your WhatsApp application, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is to simply tap the three dots option, and if I go to settings or if I go to privacy, you can see we don't have such options where we can block the numbers or hide our numbers. Now you might be telling me, why would we want to hide your number? Because you might want to hide your number because you could be in a certain group, you don't want other people in the group to know about your number. Now remember one thing, WhatsApp is only searchable by number, unlike Telegram where you can search by a username as well, and Telegram also has the option to hide your phone number if you're on a certain group. So your phone number is not going to be publicly seen by anyone, they can only contact you by the username. But on WhatsApp, unfortunately that's not the case, because WhatsApp is a cloud to cloud, end-to-end encrypted. So Telegram is not end-to-end encrypted. By this what I mean is that WhatsApp does not back up the chats to their meta service, unlike Telegram, because if you log in Telegram on a new device, all your chats are going to be there even if you don't back up, because Telegram keeps your data. But with WhatsApp, how it works is that if you don't choose to back up the chats on both your iCloud, Apple ID, or your Google ID or Google Drive, you will not be able to access those chats because WhatsApp doesn't back them up. It's up to you if you want to back up those chats, because it is end-to-end encrypted, which means that no one else other than you has access to it. That is why WhatsApp number is not hideable so far, but hopefully in the future, I'm not sure why this is not possible, WhatsApp could roll out an update that would let users to hide their number, at least in the groups where it is not publicly available by anyone. Hope this video helped you understand your question. Hopefully in the future they might come up. I will also make sure to update you about it. But until then, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.